David Eder and I live 15 miles north of Christchurch in the South Island of New Zealand. My family has been in the area since 1850 and we have been growing blackcurrants here for 43 years on my blackcurrant farm. We grow the best blackcurrants in the world here because of our high UV light and the best variety. So we can produce high levels of anthocyanins which are quite unique.
I've been fortunate enough to be involved with the blackcurrant industry as a crop advisor for the past 30 years. I'm passionate about blackcurrants because of their health benefits, and wow, what an environment to work in.
We use a minimum number of intervention processes so nature can and will look after itself.